Hello everybody and welcome to yet another CrystalDust stream where we will not be doing Bugsy's Gym. You are indeed correct, Captain Dingpot. But what we are going to be doing today is the multi-choice for Kurt. So basically the little menu that pops up whenever you give him the Apricorn balls. Do Whitney then. Fuck off. I'm not doing Goldenrod yet. We're not there. Anyway, let's see here. Just hit the ground fucking running. Kurt's house. Alright. So, where is it here? Okay, select Apricorn for Kurt. So we're gonna go ahead and make that special now. Nope, that's not how you spell specials. Add a random milk tank level 50 with rollout to end the beta. Yes. Just fucking kill everyone. That's fine. Has all mons. What is that? Why is that there? Why is that a special? Oh, that's a special because of the Oaks rating. That's right. Okay, select Apricorn for Kurt. It's not a special. How are you today, Sierra? I'm doing well. How are you? Also, I forgot to say hi to everybody. So, welcome to Casual Poke Player, Shadow1333, Captain Dingpot, Coupleon. I think those are everybody. And Master Shuppets, welcome to you two. Okay, so field specials.c. We're gonna go down here. We're just gonna slap this in the bottom. Right, so what is... Welcome, Sierra. You want me to welcome myself? Hi, Sierra. Welcome to the stream. Thanks, Sierra. Glad for having me on. Thanks, me. I don't... Okay, let's see here. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. My name is still wrong here, because I didn't Pokehex it. Hold on. Wait, no, I thought I did. Wait, what? No, I thought I did. Hold up, what? I should have. Huh? I did that like this past week. What the fuck? Okay, well, we're gonna fucking PK hex the shit out of my crystal save then, I guess. Oh yeah, that's still on my old OneDrive. Shit, I should change that. Oh, that's why! Because it's using the wrong one. Shit, okay. Okay, gotcha. So yeah, it's still using my old user account. My old user account directory. Because this is a whole separate, oh shit. This is a whole separate user account from my main computer user account, so I don't accidentally leak shit that I shouldn't be leaking. So this should work now. Yes. If I do that. Hey! Let's pin that and remove that. Awesome. Okay. Oh, yeah, holy shit, it is already May. So lure ball. Yep. Got your lure ball. Let's go get my white apricorn, and I'm gonna examine how the menu works. Because I need to research before I can make the game happen. Yep. With balls out of them, you have an apricorn. So yeah, it'll just pop up with the apricorn and the quantity. I don't know, Pika Hex had support for Gen 1 too as well. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It does like every single generation. Okay, so we've gotta base this on some other menu. So what menu to base this on? Let's see. Item, no. Player PC. Okay, we can try doing something like this. Because the player PC is sort of like it. Okay, display item message on field. What would you like? Okay, we'll go ahead and start with this. Display item message on field. Stop selecting things wrong. Okay, should I make a new file? I'll make a new file. Or Apricorn menu.c. Okay. Okay. So instead of field specials, we're gonna go ahead and pop that into here. Okay, so, and then, of course, since we're adding a new file, we gotta go to the fucking LD script and do all that shit. Wait, no, LD script modern. Right. Oh, wait, no, it automatically adds all of our shit now because we're using the modern. Fuck yeah. Should have told Pidgey to do that. Oops. Okay, so select Apricorn for Kurt, and we're gonna, if we're following player PC, then we will do display item message on field with this text from strings.c. We will instead it's here, it's fine. Okay. Let's see what Crystal does here. Oh, fuck, wrong one. Because it's VBA. I don't even use VBA anymore because I found out that apparently MGBA's GB support became a lot better than the last time I tried it. So everything is now MGBA. Final turn it into a ball. Which Apricorn should I use? I don't know how a Pokemon ROM hack that's full of 4chan memes and lots of foul language manages to hook me more than a new official Pokemon game. Clover has some, like, actual good development behind it. It's crazy. What would you like to do? And then it'll be like item storage. Draw item. There are no items. Okay. Do we really need to do that? Since he already asks. Right? I'm playing Clover as well. It's so good and challenging. I've heard. Okay, you have an Apricorn for me? Fine, I'll turn it into a ball, and then... Oh, well, we will do that. We will do that. Fuck you. Me. Which Apricorn should you... Okay. That's probably too long for a single line, but I will fix that. Oh yeah, here's all the guts of the radio. Okay. I'll leave that as is for now. Do that, and then of course strings.h, which honestly this should just be automatically generated from the existing thing, but you know. Okay, so we're gonna use this text here. Create task dump. What? Why are you creating a dummy task? What? Can you do that to search for the define of that? No. So it's an item menu. Item menu. But item menu. It's just menu. How dare you lie to me? Okay, so you need to pass it an task ID. Gotcha. Well, I mean, I guess I can just do a task dummy. It's fine. It's not a problem. Please be more specific in your search. Narrow down the result. It's a blank search. What do you expect? Okay. Task.c. Okay. And then, of course, strings.h. And finally, define something like this. Boop. I'm gonna replace that with init Apricorn menu. Okay. So init player PC menu is gonna be like giving you the options. Reshow player PC, no. Item storage, init item storage menu. We'll do that. Item PC option. Item PC options text would be not in here. What? Oh, that's actually in this file. Oh, that's why, because it's not actually text. Withdraw, deposit, toss, exit. So we're gonna go ahead and copy the item storage withdraw function, I guess. Clover, it's meant for VBA more. Ew, why would you make it do that? Oh. Have you imported the new thingies yet? What? I've been using Visual Boy Advanced for this hacking only from the, yeah. Okay, so I guess Clover's developers did the stupid thing and made it so VBA is the only VBA is the only emulator that can run it, because VBA is actually not 100% like a real GBA. So it's, people that conform to that instead of MGBA are bad, to put it simply. Okay, item storage withdraw, count used PC item slots, then withdraw toss helper. Why is that called withdraw toss helper? It can run in MGBA, but the frame rate sucks for me. Maybe okay, try something like this. Well, hold on. Try something, hold on. Tools, settings, there's a thing you can do here. Idle loops, here we go. What you want to do is try doing detect and remove. That might help you out, because maybe they're fucking around with the idle loop or something. Oh, my mistake. The official Clover site recommends MGBA. Oh, well, that's correct then. Don't want to shit on them for that. Okay. Just for fun, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then just fucking why not? We're just gonna go ahead and like pretend that this is still the PC. So extern void. Will it still do that? Will that work? Like if I were to just do like that, it's, well, obviously this isn't gonna work like properly, but like, do what again? Okay, I'll show you again. Pay attention. Settings. Emulation. Idle loops. Remove known, or detect and remove. So we're just gonna see what happens if this runs. Did remove that, yeah. No such file or what? God damn, did I not install fucking libpng development? Fucking. PNG dev. What do you mean it's already the newest version? After this operation, 0 bytes of additional free space will be used. Huh? What? Why is it updating DevKit Pro? What? Okay, what? Okay. So if libpng dev is, it already exists, then why is it saying that there's no such file or directory in this here? Include png.h. Oh, welcome Nikki's Madness. Okay, so why is PNG? I meant the bag stuff. Oh, yeah, I did that already. I thought MSys2 didn't have libpng dev by default and you need to build it from source. Welcome Thomas Winwood, but I'm not using MSys2, I'm using Whizzle. Yeah, so check this out. We got, thanks to Shadow1333, we got a new and improved little berry pocket thing here for both female and male. Let me just switch over to the mailbag. Yeah, it's, I mean, you may not notice much of a difference, but it looks a lot better, just in general. So why is that? Well, it's not that it's not finding the library, it's not finding the include. Huh? That's weird. Because png.h is libpng, right? Firefox, I don't want you to actually try to navigate to a website called png.h. Yeah, it is libpng. What are you programming? Oh shit, another person just randomly stumbling into our stream. Holy shit. It's rarity, but it's cool. Welcome. We are programming a Game Boy Advance Pokemon ROM hack. Yeet. So yeah, it's installing libpng dev. Devel? Maybe? No. Don't forget Furor's awesome recoloring and shading of the mailbag. Yeah, that's right. Furor is a god. Goddess? God. I don't know. They are a deity of some indeterminate gender. Okay. Translation unit. What do you mean? There's a squiggle right there. That thing here, yes, okay. Yeah, libpng. So then why is it not finding the include? Okay, let's check Poke Emerald install, because this should be working. I don't understand why it wouldn't be working. Okay, well. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and do make tools GBA GFX GBA GFX. No, I thought that would work. That also is... What? Hold up, what? Okay, so tools is there. GBA GFX is there. What? What are you talking about? What? I don't understand. What do you... What? It's here. Oh, because it's not a fucking directory. I'm a dumbass. Yeah. Shit. Okay, so I can make it from in here, but I can't make it from the make file. What? What? What the fuck? Oh, welcome, Treviso. We are currently trying to figure out what the fuck is happening. I mean, that's... was going through moderator applications? Oh. Yeah, moderator applications are not fun. I actually stopped being the mod... I did actually step down from Pokemon ROM hacks as the moderator. I just didn't give a shit anymore. I just didn't want to do moderation there, man. Build with depths. So if I do make -j8 debug 1 dinfo is 1 modern. Okay, so that causes it to not be able to find the PNG header. It's running quite a bit better. Awesome. So compiling for modern, maybe? If I do not modern compile, it works fine. So something about modern compilation just fucks with things. Which, okay, to be fair, this has happened before. I thought I fixed it though, so I'm not really sure what's up. r/Assassin's Creed is exploding in user base since the new announcement. We haven't added mods since we were at 100k users. Oh, that's right. There was this announcement for that. I forgot. Okay. Okay, because so this is recursively calling make with modern equals 1 set. So okay, and that was the issue I was having earlier because I was doing modern equals 1 instead of just make modern. What the fuck? You can play as a buff Viking lady in this one. Awesome. However, that is not the only thing I need in order to play a game, contrary to popular belief. I don't know if it's popular. I just said popular belief because why the fuck not? So why exactly are you doing this to me right now? It's not nice. Tools. So make tools. If equals. Call info show. What? Build tools and building the ROM. Disable dependency scanning. Oh. Okay, I'm not really sure what fucking okay. Okay, so I can do clean tools. I don't have to jump into that fucking directory every single time either. So for some reason, something about making modern is screwing with the include paths, maybe? I don't know. Okay, fuck. I'm not gonna debug this right now. This is stupid. I'm just gonna go ahead and make tools. It'll build it, and then we can just fucking use it. Who cares? Okay. It is in fact building now, which is the correct thing to do, because that is what I want to have happen. Yes. We are at 11 viewers. Neat. Wait, is that 1,399 viewers in total, like over across all streams, or just like people coming in here and popping out? Has been 1,400 people being like, nah, fam. Who knows? Oh, undefined reference. Yeah, because it's fucking static. I knew it. I knew it wasn't going to realize it was there, even if I did it extern. I fucking knew it. So for temporary jokes and japes and shit, I'm just gonna do that. And oh, welcome, Shanty. I'm gonna be working on, well, maybe not very visually interesting, but the menu where you're like you talk to Kurt and you want to give him an apricorn ball. Just that menu. I actually haven't merged in any Porimap shit because I haven't merged in any Poke Emerald shit for like a month now. So I would do that. I would show that off, but maybe next week. Oh, God. Oh, oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, God. It's not just a list menu. It's also, you have to pop up this little counter thing here. So it is a little bit more involved than just being a list menu. But Jesus Christ, that was, what the fuck? So that's not gonna work without more tweaking, which frankly makes sense. I mean, if I just do that, that'll work, right? If I just do, like, call this with task ID and false. Just for shits and giggles. Let's build that then, and let's have it not warning implicit declaration of display item message on field. Item menu. Oh. So this morning I was doing a lot of research into the GameCube multi-boot because what is it? How do you pronounce his name? Deokishisu? Deokishisu, I guess, if you wanted to say it like the proper fucking way. Was doing research into this too and was like, I don't want to change the save structure because then I wouldn't be able to make it work with Box. And I was like, well, why not? Because Emerald wasn't even released when Box was out and it still works with Box. So, you have a nipper for me? Fine. Okay, that actually does, well, work with, like, quotation marks, but, like, it does, like, actually, like, pop it up, which is really all I need. Just wanted to make sure that worked. Okay. So what is this? What does this do? Clear window and frame to transparent. We don't want to remove anything. So item storage, set item and mail count. Player PC item page info. Okay, so it's not a pointer. It's also initialized with all the zeros. Like, why do you don't need that many fucking zeros. Anyway, this doesn't need to be like a excuse me. This doesn't need to be like a really like permanently in EUW RAM struct, so I'm just not gonna bother with that. I'm gonna instead do struct, make it that, and then, well, actually that should be static ERAM data. Static, and then S, and I'll make it a pointer. It's an anonymous struct, but maybe I'll make it non-anonymous in a bit. We'll see. So we have maybe a list of Apricorns and their quantities. It should just be like the item menu, shouldn't it? So items are literally just 2 E16s, right? So here, item storage, set item and mail count. Here we go. Okay. I don't know why I said "ga" like that. Wait, should count have been initialized? Ah. Why was that's not how you define task data. No. No, you do T num items without the fucking... Who did this? Crying, laughing emoji. They did it wrong. Can't use PC item slots. Well, that still doesn't set up that thing, though. Draw toss helper. Fuck. Withdraw. So what actually sets up this count here? Player PC mailbox. I see. Get mailbox well, mailbox no. But here, okay. Wait, is that... That's just gonna be like one of the menu things. Yeah, menu helpers. Okay. But you're not... Where are we storing this? Where are we storing this? Or where are we grabbing it from, rather? Mailbox mail, yeah. But no, I want to know where. Set item, but where is it actually set? I don't actually see where it's being set. I mean, this is really it. But this is for the mailbox. 1 of 2, 2 of 2. But only mailbox though. But only mailbox though. But only mailbox though. Maybe. That's not it. Okay. Let's fucking not care about that, I guess. Compact PC items. Compact? I don't know why I said compact. Compact PC items in item.c. Yeah. So PC items. Oh, it's an item struct. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, Jesus. I don't know why this is all blue. Dabba-dee dabba-die. Wait, why is this... Why the fuck is this @ symbol being interpreted as, like, a comment for the rest of the fucking file? Who did this? Crying, laughing emoji. It couldn't be ARM support for VS Code, could it? It is, but it didn't used to do that. Dan C. Underwood, you fucked it up. Anyway, struct item slot. Yeah, that's what I figured. Anyway, IntelliSense is just shitting the bed as usual, so we're gonna go search it ourselves. Struct item slot. Okay. Item ID and quantity. So, oh no, I found a guy with a Gardevoir pillow. Don't. Why are you bringing this up? Do we even need to know this? Are you gonna get my stream shut down? Struct item slot, Apricorns, and there's only 7 possible Apricorns. Actually, let's make sure that that's written down somewhere. Yeah. Neat trainer class. God. Define Apricorns count 7. And while we're here, maybe wanna. So how does it determine what's a berry? It says item to berry, but like where is it? Oh Jesus. Oh, it just checks if it's in the right pocket. Okay, so I'll do something similar to this. Oh, that was clover. That makes sense. Item to Apricorn. Item ID minus. Well, they're using first berry index, so I'll just first. No, I don't need to do that. I know which one's gonna be the first Apricorn always. This is fine. +1. +1. Yes. Let's see. Item is Apricorn will be. Well, first of all, this should be in more parentheses. Jesus, a lot of parentheses. So, item ID is greater than or equal to item red Apricorn. And item ID is less than or equal to pink Apricorn. So we have item is Apricorn and item to Apricorn. And then Apricorn count should be actually red minus pink. Actually, red minus pink, but that would just be 384 minus 378 is not going to be 7. So that should be +1. Which, it's going to be fucking, I don't know why I have to make this a constant. It's literally just 7. Apricorns, Apricorn count. And eventually other things will also be there. Incomplete type is not allowed. Bitch, it's not an incomplete type. Shut the fuck up. Well, this also shouldn't be 1. Apricorn 0. Oh, but then I have in the script the Apricorn 0 being used for... Kirk given Apricorn is not 0. Yeah. Okay, fine. Then I will just do -1 whenever I'm indexing into Apricorns. Happy? I'm not happy, but I have to be happy now. So, whatever. Okay. I don't know what that sound was. Okay, so wait, what was it? Compact? Compact? Why do I keep saying compact? Compact PC items. And it'll just go through all of these and sure. Well, maybe I should be using the functions instead of checking through the thing myself. Add bag item. Check bag as space. Has at least 1 berry. Check bag as item. No. Copy item name. Get bag item quantity. Huh? What? Wait, that's... What? Oh. Check bag as I see, okay. But that doesn't actually return you the count. Remove bag item. Bag get quantity by pocket position. I don't want that. Compact items in bag pocket. Sort berries or TMs. Count total item quantity in bag. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, cool. Yeah, then I'll do that. I for I equals 0. I is less than Apricorn count. I plus plus. That's equals plus. That's not a thing you can do. Count total item quantity in bag item. Red Apricorn plus I. My scrap is evolving. Hi, just wanted to say hi for a moment before I go to bed. Oh, hi JJ Ollie, and also good night JJ Ollie. Appreciate you being here, even if it was only for a second. So, Apricorns I dot count? No. Why am I doing it this way? No, not this way. Okay. Let's do I current index Apricorns let's do this. U16 count equals that. If count is greater than 0, Apricorns current index dot. Oh, this shouldn't be an item slot anymore. Why would we? Fucking dumbass. Okay, don't say dumbass. I should stop saying dumbass. I always call myself a dumbass, and it's not good for my self-esteem, so I will stop doing that. Okay, let's do that. Let's do Apricorn slot. They're the same struct, but I just wanted to be here in case I need to use it for something else. Current index dot Apricorn ID equals I plus 1. Yes. Apricorns current index dot quantity equals 0. Well, first of all, I need to grab this fucking init Apricorn menu. So S available acorns equals just alloc size of that. Okay. Yeah, okay, that all makes a lot more sense now, doesn't it? Apricorn count is undefined, but it's not. I swear. Oh, because I didn't actually include items.h. Oh no, 9 viewers. What's happened to all the 11 viewers I had? There used to be so many. Okay. It says 12 on my screen. Well, that's weird, because on my screen it says 9. Maybe it'll update. Oh, hey, 13. What? It just hadn't updated for me. Okay. We have 13 viewers, I guess. Okay, we got this all good. And then that should be current index plus plus. Okay, so now that we have the Apricorn slots initialized, we will create some sort of item menu list. Okay, so, well, okay, how does the player PC do it? Because the player PC also does quantity. And that's why I was trying to mimic it earlier. Yeah. Wait, didn't I fix that? Wait. I did fix it. I guess I thought I fixed it in the player PC too, but no. I'll fix that later then. Whatever. But yeah, that has the quantity in it, so it's not just like a basic item menu list or whatever. It's something. There's something else to it. I like how the potion description gets cut off perfectly, so it just says a spray type wound. It restores the HP by 20 points. But, like, just spray some wound on me. It's fine. I don't need to be healthy. Okay, so we're going to figure out how that prints. Oh yeah, I removed that from new game PC items because I don't know why I didn't just comment out the fact that I was using it. I don't know why I do that to myself. Item menu store. I just storage menu process input. Get mailbox mail count. I don't want mail. I don't fucking care about mail. Item storage withdraw toss helper. I didn't even stay up that late last night. It was only till 3. Set item and mail count. So that's what we're doing there. And then here we're doing what? We're allocating this struct, setting it. Oh, I should probably memset. Yeah. Well, actually, can't we calloc? Is calloc used? Okay, calloc is used. Wait, why am I doing calloc again? I don't need calloc. What? Alloc memset to 0 size of star. That's better. Or I can just do alloc 0'd. I literally looked at this. I literally looked at that. Lord. Oh fuck, that's why this is all fucky, because we're still using the old Ubuntu, which is the 2004 version. Ah, God, I need to fix the one on this account. That makes sense then. Okay, well, I'll do that later. Right now I'll have to deal with my computer's fucking CPU being kicked in the shins by some incorrect thing here. Okay, so that's alloc 0'd, Apricorn count total item quantity in bag. And then how about we set something to the current index. So U8 Apricorn count equals available Apricorn count, yeah. Available Apricorn count equals cur IDX. Do the arrow. Because if, yeah, okay, got it, cool. Great. So set item and mail count, and then this thing initializes everything. Free and reserve object sprite palettes. Free all sprite palettes and reserve them. Well, I don't know why we would do that. Is it because we're doing this on the overworld? Is it because we have to kind of share the room, I guess? Okay. I mean, I guess I could also do that because we also have to make this be on the overworld, and I might want to use a sprite or two. Okay. And then we're gonna do that part. Free and reserve object sprite palettes. Well, I just pop it there. Load list menu arrows graphics. Which, yeah, not very many things need to do that, but item menu icons, no. Oh, that'll create. What'll this do? Is it creating like some sort of item sprite? Hey, Sarah. That's my name. They ported Super Mario 64 to PC. Oh, they did it? Oh, nice. I want to do the same thing with Emerald. F on the misspelling quite. But this is called here and here. So, what's up here? Okay. What are we doing? What sprite is this creating? G unknown does not tell me anything. Tile tag 101. Bag swap line? Oh. Oh, I see. We don't need that. Fuck that. I read today that Wii's source code was leaked. There's so much random shit happening with leaks and everything. Like, it's not... It apparently wasn't just Wacko. But yeah, like, the entire fucking source code of the Wii was leaked. Like, how the fuck does that happen? Clear dialogue window and frame. We're not wanting to do that. Oh, and then here it actually starts to initialize things more. So what is it doing here? Why is IntelliSense such garbage? Oh, that's right, because we're on the wrong Ubuntu version. No joke, but they leaked dev builds of Garfield card on 3DS. Oh no! Oh fuck, they're gonna get sued the fuck out of the sky. Might as well be a joke because it's funny. Yay. What does this do? What does this do? Adds the window, draws the standard frame. Okay. Yeah, we should probably have like window ID. Let's just call that Apricorn menu. Yeah, let's do U8 window IDs. Let's give it, well, let's create an enumeration for this. Main, no. Apricorn chooser, and then quantity chooser. I don't like this terminology of chooser. Oh, right, no, win quantity, yeah. Win quantity, win count. So this should be window IDs win count. It'll automatically stretch to fill whatever I need it to, which is great. Just what I want. So what they're doing here is they're checking to see if that's FF. If it is, then you add the window and do that song and dance. I'll go ahead and just take that. Why not? Add window if not present. Which window? We're doing, instead of that, we're doing this. Window IDs, which window? Oh yeah, we also need to do the FF thing they did here. Set that, window IDs, FF, and then it'll be win count. And then the FF is actually supposed to be win dummy? No, dummy window? Dummy win? Template. No, that's not what I meant. That's gonna help, right? Windows Max. No, everything just knows that FF is supposed to be what that is. Gotcha. So if the window ID is FF, then window ID PTR. Add window S. For menu windows, which window? Draw the standard frame with this window ID. Use these things, that's fine. Palette 14, tile 214, it knows. Oh, right. Static const construct window template. Okay. Awesome. Do that. Draw standard frame with custom tile and palette. But shouldn't it load the tiles, or does it not? If our A is undefined, it's not even. It's so slow to parse. Jesus. STD window-based tile number. That's what we needed. Use constants, my lord. I don't know why I was gonna say my love. Use constants, my love. So add window if not present. We'll do that, and we'll pop that at the top for declaration, please. And then we'll call add window if not present. Win Apricorn. Awesome. So let's just run that. See what happens. Of course, I need to actually have a window template here. Let's just pull something from like Prentice. No. Here. Yeah, why not? Well, actually, I know why not. Because what we want to do instead of that would be just grab this one. Why not? Base block 1. Base block 1. Not 124? Or 2, whatever? I don't know. Okay. Run it. Fuck it. Who cares? Oh shit, everything cares. Right. Implicit declaration of alloc 0. Well, which header is that in? Malloc.h. That would make sense. STD window-based tile number declared, which also makes sense because I didn't fucking include that anywhere. Why is this defined inside menu.c and not like menu.h? Let's fix that. No wonder nothing can like no wonder nothing uses that. Because it's not available for anything else to use. Okay, did you mean window ID pointer? Yes, I did mean window ID pointer. Also, wow, you are slow. As much as I'd like to just go ahead and install the right Ubuntu version, that would take longer than I'm willing to. What? Permission denied. Permission denied? Why do that? Why permission deny? What? can launch a new one. Why can't you launch a new one? Permission denied. Permission denied? Oh, fucking hell. I always forget that points into my fucking OneDrive. Security. I gotta add myself onto this as a user. Fuck. Okay. Why is everything dying? Stop dying, please. Thank you. Okay. Add myself as a user. Select the principal. Select streaming. Allow full control. Did it work? Can I? No, what? Excuse you, I added myself as a security thing. Yeah, I'm there. Why the fuck are you not letting me do it? No, stop. Streaming full everything. Yes, please. Thank you. What? Stop it. Fine, I'll run it myself, bitch. Okay, do that. You have an Apricorn for me? Found it turned into a ball. Okay. Okay, we have the start of the menu, guys. We have the technology. Yeah. Progress, yes. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that in the top left of the screen with a height of a lot less than 18 for sure. Let's do like 12. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Man, it's really great fucking with user accounts on Windows because everything makes a lot of sense and definitely doesn't make sense. Does it not make sense? Type allow. Applies to this folder, subfolders, and files. Effective access? No. But it says I can do. So why can't I do? If it says I can do, then why no do? Please. Why no do? It doesn't like progress through all the other folders. Maybe if I were to do it from the actual folder instead of that one. Streaming. Aha. Okay. Looks like junctions aren't good enough for you, are they? Bitch. Okay. We're gonna fucking step on your ass and fix this. Why can't I modify it? I am an adult. I am in control of computer. Why can't you let me do this thing that I want to do? Add. Streaming. Full control. Okay. Remove the other one. You must prevent this object from inheriting from it. No, fuck. Shit. Okay, hit okay. Now it has to run through every fucking thing in my... Oh, is it done? Nope. Not gonna deal with that now. Just gonna run it manually and I'm gonna live with it. Okay, so 12 looks like the actual like perfect number there. So now we're gonna go ahead and print things to this menu. Add window if not present when Apricorn. Player PC. Follow this trail backwards. Process, withdraw, toss input, is that right? Yeah, okay, I see. So this is the process input function now. So I guess we'll just make this do something like that, okay. Let's do... main process input. Let's call it that. Satanic. I almost wrote satanic. Don't do that. Okay. Do that and then create task. No, wait, no. Tasks. Task ID dot func. Cool, and then we'll do we'll move that down to here. Did you say Giratina? Satanic. Ah ha 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 ha. Is Giratina supposed to be Satan? That's news to me. Process withdraw toss. That's not a process input then. Right? No, that just like initializes it. No, there's no need to make this into a new function yet. Do that in a bit. Add window if not present when Apricorn. Center line, add text printer parameterized. That'll add the actual name of the like withdraw item or toss item or whatever. Copy window to VRAM. Do this. What is this? Compact PC items and then call this function, which is in menu helpers, which, huh? Is that some sort of compaction thing? Used slots. Oh, that just counts the items. No, we don't need that. I already counted my items. What about you? You do this function, which is really close. So it probably does something pretty similar. Scroll offset cursor position. Oh. Don't know if I need that either. Item storage, refresh list menu. Copy item name, player PC. Oh, this is a lot of shit, man. List menu in it. List menu in it. Fuck, that was terrible. I'm sorry. Menu specialized. Player PC item page struct. Wait, why are they not using this? Game Freak, why you do the things you do? We shall never know, huh? Okay, so I guess we just use G multi-use list menu template, huh? Stop saying that's undefined. It is perfectly well defined, I'll have you know. So we're gonna go ahead and make this do something. So this copies from that. Okay, so we have a template for this, which we will go ahead and copy and paste here. Wait, why do those are Windows template? Okay. Wait. They don't have the dummy Win template here. Ooh, it's dangerous. Oh no, it's not dangerous because they're fucking. God, they're just. Oh shit. Would you guys like me to explain something in more detail? Because I feel like I'm not being a very good explainer person here. And I'd rather you guys know what things are than me being like, oh, I don't know what. Just this word vomit. Okay. So right now we're just trying to create a list menu template, but there's like multiple ways that Game Freak goes about it because like everybody had their own idea about how list menus should be created. Some people use the like a shared memory address to like set things up and then like edit that and then shove it out into the world. Other people just don't and just use like templates or functions that take like parts of it and then it will create its own template itself. Frankly, there's a lot of dumb shit. Fish 4? What do you mean fish 4? Apricorn menu. Apricorn list menu template. So that's what that does. Compulty. Oh, and then we can do the add window here. Ooh, do that. Total items will be available Apricorn count from this. Items will be whatever this is. Huh? Unc0. Oh, I see. It's Unc0 from this struct, which, where is that defined? Here. Unc0 is a list menu item. Okay, I can do that. Why are there 51 possible list menu items? Wait, can you only have like 51 items in your PC? Huh. Curious. So list menu item, list items, and then Apricorn count. Max showed page items. Okay. So that was what was set up back there. Even before we allocate. Okay. Put that there. I can organize all these functionalities later. So if count is greater than 7, then 8. Wait, so we'll never have more than that. Oh well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what we can do here. Greater than or equal to 8, or page items will not page items. It'll be max showed. Or it'll be this Apricorn menu count plus 1 for the return. Yes. Because we need, oh yeah, we need the cancel too. That's right. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is not inspiring like any conversation between people. So I'm sorry about that. Sometimes this is just the way development goes. You don't do anything particularly interesting in the UI. It's all code. So I really, really hope I'm not boring you guys too much. Just a little bit. A little bit of boredom is fine. Data list task ID. List menu init. Let's do. I don't know if we'll put it in data or we'll put it in like the structure we created up here. Never boring. All the technical stuff is what makes the game what it is. You are correct. However, does technical stuff make for a good stream? I never know. Because you guys are like, you're saying you're interested, and then the like chat completely fucking dies. So I'm always worried that it's not too interesting. So, U8 list menu task ID. Just pop that up there. List menu init. What is the thing for this? Turn off the game so I can watch your stream. Oh, nice. Scroll, offset, and selected row. 0 and 0. I like listening to you talk, and you get the light bulb moment when you solve it. Cool. So then I will stop being a little bitch about worrying about you guys being in chat and being bored, and actually just be cool. This still doesn't work. Nope. I wonder if I... Nope. Okay. So we're creating the template. We set up the list menu task. Item storage, start scroll indicator. If the scroll indicator ID is that, then do that. I'll just copy this because I know that'll need to be its own function, so I'll put it out into its own function. Apricorn menu. Start scroll indicator. If this scroll indicator ID that should also be set to FF, shouldn't it? Okay, so IntelliSense is basically just given up, absolutely given up completely. Jeez. Okay. Oh, Lord. So what is the... Right, IntelliSense is sporked. So we're going to go here. So, arrow type. Let's make this on new line things. Like that, yeah. Okay, so scroll arrow up. Common position, first position, second position. So common position would be the X position. So we'll put that at like, I don't know, we'll just leave it at like 32 for now. First position would be at the top, so I think we'll leave these. I think we'll leave these two as is for now. What's 94 hexadecimal? 148. Oh, that's almost near the bottom of the screen. That should probably be up a little bit. Like, put it at 100 for now. Apricorn menu, count minus page items. What is that? Fully down threshold. Okay. So maybe I should put like page items into the thing. Into our little structy dooley. This menu task ID, page items. And then we'll put that as part of this. Do that, and do that, and kill this. Awesome. I got a Discord message from my friend. I will respond to that later. Apricorn menu, page items. Oh, now IntelliSense decides to fucking stop shitting the bed quite as much. Incomplete type is not allowed. It's not an incomplete type. You bitch. List menu. That's why. I haven't been talking much because I was debugging my Switch, but sadly it died today in the line of combat. A moment of silence for my fallen comrade. Aw. That sucks. What happened? I'm just gonna call it count. And would it maybe be a cool thing for me to do in the retro rehab channel? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it could be interesting for me to look at a Switch in the retro rehab channel. Maybe, I don't know. Items above. Fucking what was that? I think that's a misnomer. I was the one that named that, and I think I named it wrong. We'll see. The draw toss helper should be 0. Cursor position. Okay, so this is all we need. All of these things is what I'm seeing here. The SD card suddenly stopped working. I have the feeling it's something related to the master boot record for its partition. Neither Linux nor Windows recognizes it anymore. It only appears as MMC block 0 in Linux, and Windows asked me to format it all together. I'm holding off until Homebrew Dev responds back to see if I can fix it without formatting it. Oh, so it's your SD card. Ugh, I've had bad experiences with SD cards corrupting. Good luck, man. cursor position, items above, page items count. IRC, didn't the Switch have a poor implementation of exFAT, leading to SD cards being corrupted over time? Oh, I read about that, yeah. I think it got fixed in a patch, but if you're hacking it, then maybe you don't patch it. Yeah, Thomas, Nintendo's exFAT driver is flat out shit and is prone to corruption. Oof. Okay, before you do anything else, you should probably look up how to do a block copy of your memory card in Linux. Because if you can get the entire thing copied off, even if it's unreadable, that's still fixable later. Do that. Items above, page items, and then count. We should have a list count, right? Because what the hell else is this going to be? No, it is actually the same count. Okay. So let's build that. Well, I didn't actually change this, so of course that wouldn't work. We're gonna go ahead and copy this. Item storage, move cursor. Run menu, move cursor. And then item print func is gonna be this weird fish thing. I don't know why the hell it's called fish 4. But that is supposed to be some other function. Item print function. And then we're gonna go ahead and comment all of these out, except for play a sound effect. And then of course I have to actually do this. Songs.h. Okay. What will it do? It will not. It will not do. Declare that at the top of the file because that's probably... But no, between the struct declarations and the const. The N64 memory cards I have corrupt all the time. Rip the games that require agreement to in a bug's life. One of those is not a good port, but I have the nostalgia to care. Same case for me with Resident Evil 2. I always prefer the N64 version over all the others. Don't you love when nostalgia makes you feel more like it makes you like something that is inherently worse? I'm trying to think of a situation where I found myself in that. And I know I have. I just can't think of any at the moment. Yeah, I know it doesn't run. Stop telling me that. Hey, we got some quaff in the chat. Some fucking quaff. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and do this again and dump out my one white apricorn. And then we're gonna go outside and grab another white apricorn. And then we're gonna go ahead and stay in front of him again, so I don't have to go through the whole fucking chat every time. Quaff. I'm not sure why it's even printing anything at all, though, because right now it shouldn't print at all. Curious, very curious. Fuck. Alright, so Quaff. Of course, Quaff crashes the game, so I can't, like, test anything else out. Okay, we're still good with sound. Move cursor. Item print. Well, if we do a... List items. Oh, because I didn't initialize list items to anything. Of course. Of course. You see, it would make sense if I were to do that, because then I could have, you know, names for things. I'll copy this whole thing over. Put that right under you. So that's this menu, ba-Apricorn menu, list task menu ID. And we're done. We're not going to copy the name to anything because why? What did I call it? It is list items. I don't know what this UNC198 is. Oh, is that like some sort of temporary text location for that? But why would you do that? Why not just copy it directly into the name? Delete that, because that's stupid. Also, that's also stupid. Like, why not just do this? Paste that in there directly. And not have to bother with that. And then... -2 is list nothing chosen, right? List cancel or menu nothing chosen? I think list cancel is the right one to go with here. Rich Felker. Kirsten Avenue, Rochester, Free Software. Now. Licenses, list cancel. I typed in list cancer. Why? Okay, so here we do that, and the other thing, add that text printer parameterized, and then does this just before that, and we'll just call that the same way. And then we'll actually do this too, because haha, why the hell not? And then yet again, we will replace that with this. Yeah. The last thing is this part here, which it actually copies the name. But as a test, we are going to copy another cancel. Oh, fuck. We actually... Oh, it's a... Duh! It's a fucking pointer. No fucking shit, Sherlock. My lord. How fucking stupid am I today? It seems like quite a bit. Apricorn count, and then 18 is probably something about item name length. Item name length. Item name length is 14. That's not what that is. That's 24. Leave it as is. So that's why they copy it to there, because that's what makes sense to do. I know I'm over time. I just want to finish this one bit here, and we will be good. Okay, and then that will be... and then will be... list strings. Okay. So there's in-game stuff to manage this all already, but we're just not gonna do that because we need a more fine-grained ability to control shit here. I don't know why we're doing with this I0 thing if that's already a good enough pointer to things. Okay, so instead of copy item name player PC, we are going to copy that into you. And then should just say cancel like twice. What was that? I saw something. Warning, implicit declaration of string copy. Good boy. String util. Oh, don't bump it. I bumped it, but it's okay. Everything is fine and dandy and wonderful. It's gonna build, and then we're gonna run. And then we should get canceled twice. It's only once. But it says cancel. Let's see, what was the list items? Total items should be count plus 1, I think. Because I think in here they did player PC. Okay, they're doing it -1 there. So where are they doing the get mailbox mail count, and then at some point they'll do like a ++, right? But see, I don't want to do that. I want to do less than count, and then add a 1 for the total items. Hey, double cancel! Yay! That's the first step. Hell yeah. Okay. Cool. Yay. And I can back out. I can't back out. I can't do anything. I'm basically soft locked. But that's step one. We got some cancels printing. Double cancel. Now that's edgy. Quite. Okay, but yeah, that's cool. We did it. We did it, gentlemen. Yay. Okay. Let's just I don't know how much we're gonna be able to print, but let's change it to font ID 2 because I want to do a full size text. Up text. Why? What? 0. I don't know why the hell. What does that mean? Up text. Yeah, that's that. Okay, that's it at the top. That's what I figured. Okay. Well, that is progress. And that is also my break, even though it's 20 minutes late. Okay. I'll see y'all in a few. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, welcome back to me for this. And you guys, if you left, you can come back if you can hear me even. Let's see what my wonderful comments or chats has said now. I have one good working N64 controller. The buttons used to be very sticky. I opened the controller and cleaned the buttons. I remember the gunk inside looked like barbecue. Did you need to write that? That's disgusting. Just in time, had to get water and take a bathroom break. Wow, same, me too. That's coincidentally what I always do during a break. Wow, who could have guessed? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do more shit. Yes, quite. Okay. Yes, I am back, Pog. Those are... I don't know what that means, but it is true? Okay. Apricorn menu, arrow. Apricorns. It was nasty. Why do you gotta keep describing it? I plus... Oh wait, no, it's... I have a function for this. Yes! I have item to Apricorn. Wait. I need Apricorn to item. It's whatever. Literally just adding this and -1. Yeah, I'll do it anyway. Apricorn minus... Well, -1. Apricorn -1 plus item red Apricorn. Apricorn to item and okay. Yeah, Apricorn to item, and we're gonna do that, and then we want to copy it to you. Yes. Yes, we do. Pog is a shortened version of that face. The emote is zoomed into its mouth. It's goofy. However, you didn't actually write the emote, so I had to read it out loud. You have forced my hand. I'm not even gonna say what you just wrote out loud. That's how much I'm ashamed of you right now. Now, how dare you? I can put that into fruit trees, right? Eh. Items. That's a lot of stuff. Okay. Apricorn to item. Sure. Fucking it doesn't matter. It's fine. So if we do that, then it'll run this. And then we'll be able to. Huh? What? Struct Apricorn slot? Apricorns I dot Apricorn ID. That's what it should be. Hey, Dingpot, in response to you.
Nice meme.
Nice me.me. It's the perfect website. Hey, look at that. We got white apricorning. We got cancel. I can't press down. I think that's because I didn't actually do the move cursor function. No. Wait, why didn't it? Item storage. Okay, process input. Here we are. Copy this. Plop it here. We don't care about select, so we're just gonna skip that. And then of course we're gonna replace this with this apricorn menu arrow. And then we're gonna go ahead and do bop, bop, run. And yeah, that's what we're gonna fucking do. And it's not gonna be able to run it because of course we're fucking permissions are all fucking shit. Wait, why can't I go down? Okay, the B does that, but up and down don't do anything. Oh, because data 5 isn't a fucking menu. Durr. Run that shit, how don't you? Wait, what? I don't speak good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, well, let's go ahead and try to fuck it up a bit, just because I want to see where I want to see if it works Do like in general, or if I need to, I'm probably gonna need to tweak some stuff, and I just want to make sure I know where that stuff is to tweak. It's less than. Let's do a 7. Let's do 7. 1, 1, 1, 1. Actually, no. What? No, actually, just this one. Actually, 0. That should be a bunch of white apricorns and then a cancel, and then we'll check how scrolling works. In the meantime, I will be eating cheese. Because I'm goddamn addicted to Baby Bell cheese. Oh, that just crashed. Not sure what happened there. Total items should be 8. I usually eat string cheese. I don't eat string cheese. String cheese is alright. Let's say that's just 8. Boopity bop boop. Oh, it's not loading anymore. What's up with this? DoMoreAwesome, sponsored by Baby Bell. I know I was gonna make a joke to that extent earlier, but I'm not actually sponsored by them. I just like cheese, man. Just lay off me. Okay, so that should be copying from item 0 every time, which should work. Count is that. Page items should be set. What am I doing wrong here? List strings on. Why would it be crashing? The name is set to that, and the ID is set to that. Seek a sponsorship with Baby Bell Sierra. Ah yes, would you, the cheese company, like to sponsor a ROM hacking stream? Just because I enjoy eating cheese on air. Input code EATAWESOME for 10% off your next purchase. Jesus Christ. It's terrible. Okay. Page items above. What is fucking up here? Legitimately don't know, because this should work. I'm just changing it. I'm just like going in and tweaking some certain things because I don't know. Let's just say I. It should print like a question mark and then like a bunch of Pokeballs. Quit pausing Twitch. I'm not pausing Twitch. You're pausing Twitch. Tell them CD stands for cheese delicious. Cheese, comma, delicious. Okay, that still crashes. Okay. So it's not that. List strings. Apricorn count 7. Oh, fuck, I'm a dumbass. Of course. List items is Apricorn count plus 1. Because if you have all the fucking Apricorns, then it's gonna overrun the fucking thing. I mean, it'll still do it because it's only 8 now instead of 9, but like. Hey. All right. That's awesome. It's looking pretty good, honestly. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a cancel. Arrows aren't appearing. That's fine. So the count is, we'll say the count is 7. And then the page items will be +1. Because yes. And then all it should do is that. Great. Cheese delicious.
Yes, I am big, strong woman. I am like cheese delicious.
All right, so now it's just not working because we set up the item list wrong. Or rather, I didn't fill it. I didn't fill in some stuff I should have filled in because I was just being temporary secretary. Items above. Oh, yeah, okay, that's what it is. 7, 7. There we go. Permission denied. I understand, but I still don't like you. Yeah, look at that. Okay, okay. But now why doesn't the scroll indicator appear? Because that's not being called, of course. Durr. I'm now going to Google Translate the name CrystalDust. If at some point you get something related to cocaine, that's not my fault. I mean, it is my fault, but it's not my fault. So where was that? Okay. Some process input for some reason. No. No, no, no. List menu init, and then the. I wonder what you were on when you came up with that name. Ha 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 ha. Childhood. Oh Jesus. Okay, let's run this. Oh, ooh, that's not right. They're appearing. At least. Oh, talking about childhood and innocence and related to Pokemon. The Pokemon TCG just released a special kind of cards called V cards. I am disappointed. Why would they call them that? It's literally like a 5-second Google search will bring you to why that's not a good idea. Okay. Page items. Right, what was the function? What was the thing for this again? Oh yeah, we already had it open. Durr. Okay, arrow type, yeah. Common position, oh, don't deal with the positions yet. Fully down threshold is count minus page items. Oh, but count is supposed to be count plus 1 because the count is actually the count of Apricorn. Yeah, I don't get how some of that stuff like passes through like actual companies. Like I would catch that. Come on, guys. Hey, look at that, look at that. Hey, look at that. Awesome. Now I just need to tweak the positioning of the arrows. Also, they're kind of on top of things. Is this what you wanted? It's a lot of white apricorns. Yep. It's more or less what I wanted. I just wanted to use the white apricorns for debugging. Well, let's see. What do we need? We need to move the arrows to somewhere else. It's a lot of apricorns. Yes. Shanty, you are correct. I didn't even know you were here. Were you here this whole time? I saw you come into the beginning, and then I thought you left. Nope. Yeah, you did leave. Ha. Got you. Too busy playing League. Right. Fucking League. As always, yeah. Okay, I translated Crystal into so many languages that I miscounted. I'm not even gonna make fun of you for that. Okay, but what was I scroll like? It's the list scroll. What was it called? There's a thing that some specials use. Oh, I used it. Hold on. New Barktown, player's house, 1F. No, I don't. I want New Barktown, player's house. Script setting. Fuck, I forgot this only looks at stuff that's in Git, but not. Data, maps, New Barktown, player's house, 1F, scripts.inc. Show scrollable multi-choice. Here it is, Dusty Crystal. Indeed. Okay, so where do we get the scroll indicator arrow pair? Here we go. Update scroll arrows, template, first X and first Y. Okay, so the Y position on this should be, well, 12 and not 12, 8. 8. And then the second Y is the height times 8 plus 10. So that is, I'm assuming height would be like height in item count, right? So we have a 7 item count down. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 10, so 66. That's too high, right? Maybe. We'll see. Pokemon Vietnamese CrystalDust. Yeah, I was thinking of doing something like that, and then I realized that actually that would still take a lot of work to get all the fucking strings typed over. I don't even have the benefit of a disassembly already ready for me. Yeah, I figured that was too high up. Why'd you lie to me then?
Why did you lie to me?
Task T height. What is T height? T height 12. So for you, height is 12 as well. Okay. 12 times 8 is 96 plus 10, 106. That sounds a lot more reasonable. That'd be a funny April Fool's joke, wouldn't it? Hey guys, here's beta 3, but like, it's broken. I don't know what happened to it. Somebody like hacked the source code. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Now I just need the cross position, but that can be fixed. We still need to get like the quantities on there. So without the quantities, this won't make sense. Also, I should really fix this script there. That keeps bothering me. Well, I don't want scripts.ink. No, don't do that. Don't do that to me. I want this scripts.tori. Yes. Wait. No, that's in the fucking strings. Which Apricorn do you want? Well, what is it in Crystal? Did I close it? Fucking hell. I fucking closed it. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna mute these. Oh, no. That's too tiny. That's too tiny. There we go. Which Apricorn should I use? Which Apricorn do you want me to... Do you want me to take a look at, maybe? Which Apricorn do you want me to make into a ball? No, he already says something like that. Fine, I'll turn it into a ball. Yes, which Apricorn should I forge? Apricorns are literally fruits. I don't know if you can forge a fruit. I think the fruit might catch on fire. Which Apricorn do you want me to take a look at? I'm gonna say. Take off your hands. Nah. Because he's not just taking a look at it. He already knows what he's going to be doing with the Apricorn. Which Apricorn do you want? Which Apricorn should I... which Apricorn should I put into the particle accelerator? That's how you get the level ball. Which Apricorn do you want to turn into a ball? Cloud, become a square-shaped cloud. Ball, become a square-shaped ball. If you haven't seen that video, it's amazing. It's just a guy who thinks he can be psychic or something, and he's going to turn a cloud into a square-shaped cloud, and then he does. And he says that the whole time. And it's so stupid, and I love fucking stupid shit like that. Maybe Kirk can tell you what ball you'd get, and there's one prompt you can just quickly go through if you already know what you want. You might need to explain that a little bit more because I'm not quite following. And there's one prompt you can just quickly go through if you already know what you want. Which Apricorn do you want me, new line, to use? Just whatever, keep it like that, it's fine. But I'll fix this shit later. Also, it's black instead of blue, which will fucking whatever, we'll take care of that in a bit. So the thing is here, it's gonna like cover Kurt, but that's not a problem, right? But I don't know any other fucking multi-choices in the game that do that. Like they cover who you're talking to. Which Apricorn do you want me to convert into a... Convert is not the right word here. And also, I don't want to repeat what he's already said. Like, he says, I make balls from Apricorns. Collect them from trees and bring them to me. I'll make balls out of them. You have an Apricorn for me? Fine, I'll turn it into a ball. And then you're going to say something like, which Apricorn do you want me to turn into a ball? He's already said that. Which Apricorn do you want me to use? Would you like to... Which Apricorn would you like to use? Let's just leave it for now. It really doesn't fucking matter, honestly. But we're gonna put that there, and then it's gonna be... Oh yeah, look, we can have like a little window over here to the side, and it'll be like, we'll make level ball. Or something. That could be cool. Okay. But yeah, you see why it's fucking, like, making this take so long? Because this one simple menu has already taken so much of my sweet time. And yours too, because you're here for the ride. Willingly. Okay. What's after Apricorns? Like, what is there to program after Apricorns? Well, we're not done with the game just yet. It would be Bugsy's gym, though. If ID is not list cancel. I don't know what this does. Unk 666. That's a scary number. Okay, where are we looking? Where are we looking here? Here we go. Unk 666. What if it gets done before you think? I think I have no idea what you're talking about. It equals items above plus cursor position. What? That equals FF here. If that equals FF, then... Oh, I see. This is what's going on. It's doing the fucking switching. Ah, okay. I got it. I gotcha. There's a lot more custom shit than I really needed, honestly. Like, I probably could have gotten away with just using, like, a regular-ass list menu instead of doing all this stuff to it. But, you know, hindsight is 2020. Item list menu. Let you specialize. Mystery gift. Move cursor func and item print func. Yeah, so move cursor func doesn't need to be there. Will just be null. Item print func is, if that is not FF, that means we're switching two items. Okay, so the item print was fine. Okay, we'll leave that in there. This isn't gonna match up at all, but I just want to see what it looks like. You dig? Are you digging it? Ah, Mr. Neutron, are you digging it? Well, you said that we are not doing Bugsy's gym today. Well, I'm saying what happens if you finish with Apricorns before 6 p.m. Yeah, that's not happening. Like, I am almost completely sure about that. Alright, we got a lot of zeros. And that kind of cuts off right there. But that's just because they're shifted down a bit too far. But what if you're wrong? Okay, fair enough. I could be wrong. But it says it's printing with font 7. But font 7 is the fire leaf green tiny font. Why is it printing with the emerald tiny font? Is that maybe changing the font to it or something? String var 1. Convert into decimal string n. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and we'll start on the thing. I'm not gonna not start on it just because it's... But the thing is, it's not gonna happen. Because I haven't even gotten to the fucking, like, number one. Because you have to do a fucking... There's a whole other sub-menu to this thing. You have to increment the quantity and everything. So this is not gonna just be done. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh, welcome, Stinny. You're just in time for the last 34 minutes of the stream. Just woke up. What time zone are you in? ET? Dude. What? It's 7:30. How the fuck, dude? What the hell did you do last night? Or I guess this morning. X4VV. Yeah, you're going to sleep soon. That's probably a good thing. At least a little better than waking up whenever the hell he did. Which was now at 7:30 p.m. Okay, so we're printing this. We're gonna print that there. We're gonna do that there. We're gonna do Y offset. Well, why is it giving me the wrong Y offset? My time right now is 1:27 at night. Yeah, see, that's a reasonable time to go to sleep. Oh shit, I forgot that you started at 3 p.m. my time and it's already almost 6 p.m. Yup. Yeah, my sleep schedule's fucked. Yup. Wasn't this defined in the string utils? No, international string util. Why is it there? It's 4 p.m. at your place. It's 4:30 at my place. You are correct. You can see it right here. Also, I was wrong about my time zone. It's not MST, it's MST. MDT. Jesus. Well, I mean, it's MDT/MST whenever the hell it is in the year for most people. Thanks, guys. So instead of doing that, it would be Apricorn menu Apricorns. Yeah. Do that. Quantity. ID. And then we run. I should probably fix the fact that it says like 20 fucking white Apricorns. Okay, we got, well, we still have 0? Why is that? It shouldn't be 0 anymore. Okay. So, but it's setting the ID to I. It should still be I is less than the count. Sometimes time zones are weird. Some places have daylight savings time and others don't. Yep. I'm really hoping that we here in Washington State go to permanent daylight savings time. Because winter here fucking sucks. Because it's so dark. It's so dark. Okay, so we got that. I'm not sure why it's not working then. It gets dark too early. It gets dark around 5 p.m. Here, it's not doing that at all. Where the hell do you live? Like Montana or something? Isn't that in winter though? Yeah. No, here, yeah. Or are you talking to Dingpot? Yeah, how far up north do you live, Dingpot? Oh, quantity 0. That would be why. I'm talking about during the winter, yeah. Yeah, dude, it gets dark at like 4:30 in the far enough into the winter. It sucks. But the summers here are beautiful. Yeah, okay, 1 white apricorn, perfect. All right. Let's just set that to like 987. Why not? I like winter because of the early night stuff and the climate. Those are two of the things I don't like. I really despise summer. Oh my lord. Dude, I hate getting up for work when it's dark and then going back to my place when it's dark. It sucks. It saps my energy. All right, 987 apricorns. But isn't that using the... Wait, that's not the fire red tiny font, is it? That's a good question. Let's go figure out what's up with that. I live in a desert-placed city, which makes the climate go up above 40 degrees Celsius some days. I see. Yeah, that would do it. Yeah. Jesus. Graphics, fonts. Font set. Do we not have font 7 here? Font 1 Latin. Okay, so this is the fire red default font. The emerald. No, this is the international font or Japanese font. Font 2 Latin. Font 4 Latin. Where the hell is the tiny font? Font 0. Ah, yeah, that's what they used. Oh, that's fucked. Oh, that's really fucked. Oh my god, I didn't actually bring over the tiny font, did I? Wait, no, I must have. Wait, I'm confused now. I live at a dry place where the humidity is like 50% average. The summers are fucking hot and the winters are quite cold. That sucks. The summers here are beautiful and the winters are fucking cold. Not as cold as some other places that are so far up north, though, because of the Pacific Ocean being a very nice heat sink. Okay, so here's the fire red leaf green tiny font. And here's the emerald tiny font. So I did actually set font 0 to be the fire red leaf green tiny font. I didn't remember I did that. I'll be honest with you. Hate winters because I gotta work with wood to warm up home every day. Oh, geez, where do you live? Yeah, same here. Though the winter colds I can really get behind, I could easily shake those off compared to the summer degrees. I mean, move up to the north, dude. Poland. Oh, geez. That would make sense, I guess. Okay, there we go. There's the tiny font I was expecting. Yeah. Sometimes Colorado, where I live. Oh, there you are. Okay. Sometimes there's jarring temperature changes. The weather sometimes has bipolar. It has bipolar? I will retire and move to freaking Alaska hunting deers all day. You don't have to go to Alaska, dude. Just come here. Go to Washington. Hang out with me. Go grab a beer or something. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and push this a little bit further out. Like by maybe 2 tiles? Let's say that. Yeah, 20. Okay, 120. Washington sounds good. It does. It's nice. What's the lowest temp you got in there? It's actually not that bad. It's only like 24 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't actually get that cold. which I really appreciate. But the summers are just perfect. They don't ever go above like 90 or like 85 most of the time. Which should be scrapping the -10 or so. See what? What are you talking about? I don't understand what you just said there. -10 degrees Celsius equals 26 degrees Fahrenheit? No, probably less degrees negative than that. Because 32 Fahrenheit is 0 Celsius. So 6 degrees Fahrenheit can't be more than like 3 or 4 degrees Celsius difference. So that would be like -5, -4, -3. Yeah. One of those. Let's go ahead and add 2 tiles onto the width. Just stack, yeah. I'm not exactly a mental calculator for calculus or calculus, but Celsius to Fahrenheit conversions. Also, I thought you were American? Okay, look at this. Look at that. Just to compare it against something else so I retain my sanity. If I read that GPA. Load, you bitch. Oh. Fucking permissions didn't sync correctly or whatever. My grandparents hunt in the mountains. Cool. Here the lowest you got one winter was -2.2 degrees Fahrenheit, but that was a weird winter. Usually the low average here is -14. Yeah, that you'll get milder winters and definitely milder summers. I live right on the border with the US. I'm from Mexico. Oh, okay. Neat. No supe que tú eras de México. Oh, the average here is +14 Fahrenheit. I see. Bag. I don't know why I went to battle to check my bag. But let's zoom in a bit. Yeah, okay, there. They did that there too. Cool. Yeah. Pero sí, mis padres son de Uruguay y yo soy de Texas. Yo nací ahí, pero yo soy español de ellos. Algún tiempo yo debería hacer un stream completamente en español, ¿por qué no? Sería completamente inentendible por nadie que no sabe español. The whole pipe system broke up in a lot of houses, jeez. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and repair this so it does only 1 apricorn again. Tus padres. Mis padres. That's what I said, right? Sorry, my Spanish is a little bit rusty. I'll be honest with you. No entiendo. ¿Y que tú eras de Texas? ¿Hace cuánto que te moviste a Washington? No hace mucho, hace como 5 meses. My Spanish is rustier. Fair enough. I only know English. Well. My Spanish sucks. But wait. You're from Mexico, though. How? When did you move from Mexico to not Mexico? Oh. I thought you were... Wait, you're kidding about not knowing Spanish? Ah. I thought you were kidding about being from Mexico. That wouldn't make sense. I was trying to learn German about a year ago, just randomly dropped. Native language is Spanish. I grew up learning English from games, actually. Oh, well, your English is fucking good. Like, it's better than some people that I know that are native English speakers from Colorado. Sorry, that was mean. I'm sorry. Okay, so we got the menu. Cool. Oh wait, we need. Let me go back and change this a bit. Count as 7. I need to check the arrows again. Oh, and nice seeing the menu. Yeah, indeed. That is the first part of the fucking menu. I didn't even make any functionality besides just making it be a menu. Is it possible to have the full Apricorn names? What do you mean, like WHITE? Well, I don't actually think they're ever called that in any other game. I think their canon name is actually just WHT Apricorn. Oh, wait, no. Formatted WHT Apricorn prior to Generation 6. Even in Generation 4, they called it WHT Apricorn. Item name length is also 14 characters, so let's see. YELLOW space APR. Wait. YELLOW space APRICORN. That's 15. Whoops. Yeah, there's a reason that they did it that way. But anyway, let's go fix that for the things here. Exposition is that. So, the window is 15 tiles wide. We're going to calculate this. So, window is 15 tiles wide. Plus, starts at 1 to the left. Wait, no. Wait, 15 tiles wide times, 15 tiles wide times 8 divided by 2 plus 8. So 68. So this value needs to be 68. I had German in schools for over 10 years and still no shit. This language never worked for me unlike English. I took Japanese in high school and a little bit in college, and I still know a little bit of it, and I'm pretty happy about that. In hindsight, it's not an easy language. There were only 2 6 years at a certain point, and I was one of them. Oh, jeez. Hey, there we go. It is centered as fuck now. Okay, and then this should be that, and then this should be that. Japanese is learned while watching anime. I didn't watch anime. I mean, I did, but not enough to get knowledge of it. I'm that anomaly where I'm actually not that into anime, but I wanted to learn Japanese anyway. Okay, we got our fucking Apricorn menu set up more or less. I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to like, maybe I want to bring the bottom of the menu up to match like where the cancel is. Like there. The coldest it has ever been where I live is -31 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, if we're talking about ever, then yeah, there's going to be like crazy ass examples. I recognize a bunch of Japanese phrases because of anime, but not enough to make long sentences. Let's see here. はじめまして。私の名前はシエラです。どうぞよろしくお願いします。
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
I can't do it so well. 毎週の夏で、毎週の夏に日本で旅行しました。I can probably do it a little better. Hold on.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Ugh. Kind of. I want to be a voice actor. I'm gonna do that someday, maybe, possibly. We'll see. Ah, but I can always fall back on Carl anyway. Oh my, Shinderu. Oh, what? Oh god, I love being able to do that. It's so stupid. I can say anything with a girl voice. It's not like amazing, but it's enough to get people laughing, and that's all I need, really. You got a good voice, thank you. And I got a little treat for anybody that sticks around until 5 p.m. Somebody linked me something, and I can't help but just fucking die of laughter. If they ever reboot Jimmy Neutron and can't get the original voices of Carl and the teacher, you're set. Thanks. I don't think it's that good enough yet, but I appreciate the support. Yeah, the voice I do is really like more in the middle of Carl and the teacher, to be honest. Don't worry, I smiled a little. Phew, thank God. Okay, oh yeah, that should be text speed FF. Repurpose the entire Patreon from hacking to voice acting. Honestly, like, I could make voice acting some sort of reward for supporting me on Patreon. That would be pretty cool, I think. All my 3 patrons can, like, have that, I guess. Okay. Start scroll indicator. What is this value from? There's just a tag. Beta builds plus random voice acting clip. Well, no, if you support me enough, you get me to voice act things you want me to voice act, not just me being like, hey, here's a random thing I record with the Carl voice. Okay. Wow, I wrote like 200 lines of code today with this, just from this. Cool. So, wow, let's do canceling. Let's do canceling. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and set G special vars should be cleared upon entering this menu. Maybe. Okay, well, what is he expecting? What are we expecting him to look for? Var current given apricorn and something else. And quantity. Gotcha. So when we start the menu, we will set these values. We'll null these values out. Okay, so var set that to 0 and quantity to 0. And then of course we need to include those things now. Constants vars, and then I think events, field events, object script events, scripting scripts, what? Something in there. Event data, that's what it is. So we set that up, and then when we exit here, boop, that. copy these two, paste them down here, replace that with Apricorn menu, go exit. Prep exit. Okay, and then that calls this, whatever that is. Wait, what is this? If sprite ID is not that, then it will free. Oh, for the cursor. That's what they were doing. Right. Okay. Yeah, and I might actually add like the Apricorn like sprite. Okay, actually, I'm having an idea for what this menu could look like. Let's. Oh no. Maybe like that. Using my amazing painting skills, we're just gonna go ahead and do like boop 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 boop, and this is the GBA screen, and this is the text. This is the menu we just did. And then it could be like here. Like, oh geez, that's on a square. And that'll be the fruit, and then it'll be like an arrow. And then, oh Jesus. And of course down here, good enough. Yeah, I think that might be a pretty cool way to do the menu. What are your thoughts, guys? Screw voice acting, become a painter. Screw game development, become a voice actor. No, screw voice acting, become a painter. 10 out of 10. Yeah, I think that could be something. Okay, that's going back to there. I just want to like kill it. Apricorn menu, remove scroll indicator. That'll free the sprite. Yeah, so we'll just comment that out. Remove scroll indicator. Copy this. And of course, we'll copy this down right there. Bam. Bam. Okay, and we'll do that. Destroy list menu task will be Apricorn menu. List menu task ID. Wait, what? That's not the one I meant to do. Scroll asset selected row. Oh. What was this for? That will do... Oh, that'll just destroy sprites based on the count. Oh. Neat. But that, we don't want that. That's for the scroll. That's for the switch thing. Yes, that. Okay, this, we'll run that on all 6 of those, which are all the windows. All right, okay, we can copy that over. Remove window if present. Yeah, all right, that's all done. And then pop that down there. Actually, no, this will be remove all windows. Honestly, a lot of the programming for this player PC here is pretty sane. Which is something surprising for this game. Int I for I equals 0, I is less than win count I plus plus, call. Well, we don't need to free it, so that's good enough then. So go back to menu in its storage. We'll redraw the dialog frame and reunit the item storage menu and then jump back to processing that input. Well, we don't need that. Destroy task. Task ID. But we do need a way to get back to a script, so I guess we can follow this down until we get back to a script. B pressed, item storage exit. Wait. Oh. Item storage exit. Do this, reshow player PC, but we don't care enough about that. What would you like to do in a player PC menu? Follow that down. Go to here, process input. If B chosen, clear those things. Okay. Clear window tile map, remove window, schedule that, turn off. Here we go. Enable both script context and destroy task. All right, we should be able to actually like get the fuck out of here now. Well, almost. Kill that, and we should be good now. We're not good. Implement implicit declaration of prep exit. And implicit declaration of remove scroll indicator. Which I'll actually put right next to start scroll indicator. Let's change that to add. Put this there. Enable both script contexts. I thought that would have been an event stuff or whatever, but that's actually in script. Run. Built. Hey, look at that, I can exit! Haha! I can't choose white apricorn yet, but I can cancel! I can tell Kurt to get stuffed! Yeah, so let's call that instead of apricorn menu prep exit, just apricorn menu exit. Okay, look at that. So, 3 hours later, this is the menu. And we can exit the menu. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's just real quick, just because I want to test this out. Let's see. Where's the things here? We'll set those to, we'll give it ID. And then the quantity will just be 1. So check this out. Bam. Oh. Shit. So close. So close. Because I set its ID to I plus 1. Hey! And then, of course, we set it to be tomorrow. And we get a level ball! Level ball! ba-Apricorn has not been removed from the inventory, but other than that, it works. Maybe I should set the ID to actually be like an item ID instead of an Apricorn ID, because things are just getting kind of confusing with the whole Apricorn ID versus item ID thing. But other than that, it's working. Of course, there's a lot of things that are left to be done, like for example, the count and showing the picture if I want to do that. But yeah, cool, productive. Hopefully I'll be able to finish this outside of the stream this week, and next week we might actually be able to see the inside of Bugsy's gym. Ooh, spicy. Okay, so it is about time to get off, but before we do, I have something very special for you.
In your hubris, you had calculated that you would always be able to manipulate me, Jimmy. You have miscalculated! I will finish this croissant.
Because he's holding a croissant in his hand. God, this is so stupid. This is so stupid, and yet I love it so much. Please put that in the shit post. Yes, I will do so. Bam. It has been shit post. Okay, that's really about it. Anyway, I will see you guys in a week with hopefully Bugsy's gym. Ooh, sexy. Yeah.